I designed this logo in 2002. 21 years ago, I know it sucks. Okay, it's probably not that bad, but what sucked even more is that I did 53 different variations of this logo during the process. I'm gonna teach you how to prevent that. What a lot of creatives do is spell out their feedback rounds like this inside their contract.
This project includes 3 rounds of client feedback.
I got screwed on this. Is it 3 rounds of feedback on the logo, on the sketches, 3 rounds total? Instead, in your contract, spell out every single round and meeting.
You're gonna have a kickoff meeting. Then round 1, you're gonna give them logo sketches. The client's gonna give you feedback. Round 2, you're gonna do revised logo sketches. The client will approve those. Round 3, you're gonna do logo design comps. The client will give you feedback. Round 4, revised logo design comps. Client will approve those, and then you'll create the final files and send them to the client.
And then you're gonna spell it out in your contract, this little clause.
Any request for additional meetings or design rounds exceeding what is defined in this contract may necessitate a modification to the estimated price and timeline of this project.
Now everything's clearly defined and you can push back on the client when they ask for round 72. Spelling out all the meetings and rounds and feedback opportunities like this is a game changer. You can just follow that down the process with your clients and it's gonna save you from these excessive quantities of changes. It's also gonna give you the ability to push back when the client exceeds the number of changes that are inside of your proposal or contract. Let us know in the comments if you're currently spelling out the rounds and changes like this inside of your contract, or if you're planning to do that now after watching this video, let us know that as well. By the way, my proposals and contracts, all my templates from my agency are inside my course, the Ultimate Freelance course, and I'm dropping a lot of content like that, little nuggets like these inside of my YouTube channel, so I would appreciate a subscribe, a like, a comment, all that stuff that helps the channel. Thanks so much. Hope you like this video. I appreciate you for watching, and we'll see you again soon.